Are you tired of uploading videos that barely make you a few cents? What if I told you that the right niche could completely change your YouTube earnings, even with the same amount of views? In 2025, CPM rates are skyrocketing in certain industries, and if you choose wisely, you can make 3 times to 5 times more money than the average creator. So today I'm going to share 5 proven high CPM YouTube niches for beginners. These are perfect for YouTube automation channels too, meaning you don't even need to show your face to start earning. Stick around until the end, because I'll also reveal how to choose the best niche for your channel and avoid wasting time. And hey, before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss powerful strategies like this. 1. Finance and investing. This niche has been one of the highest paying on YouTube for years, and in 2025, it's only growing stronger. Why? Because financial companies, banks, trading platforms, investment apps, and insurance firms are willing to pay top dollar for ad space. Videos like How to Save $10,000 in 2025, Top 5 Passive Income Ideas, Best Stock Market Apps for Beginners, all attract a highly valuable audience. Advertisers know viewers in this niche have money or are looking to make money, which makes them worth more. Typical CPM in finance can range from $20 to $50, sometimes even higher depending on the topic. That means with just 100,000 views, you could earn far more than channels in entertainment or gaming. Pro tip: if you want to go faceless, you can use stock footage, screen recordings of charts, or simple animations with voiceovers. 2. Technology and AI tools. The second hot niche in 2025 is technology and artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere. Content creation, productivity, business automation, and even personal assistance. Companies developing AI tools are spending heavily on ads to get in front of creators and entrepreneurs. Content ideas include Best AI Tools for YouTube Automation in 2025, How to Make Money with AI Side Hustles, Top AI Tools that Replace 5 Freelancers. CPM rates here often hit $15 to $30, especially if you focus on AI for business or content creation. Pro tip: tutorials and top 10 tools style videos do extremely well. Use screen recordings of the tools in action. It builds trust and helps you rank. 3. Business and entrepreneurship. The third niche is perfect for beginners who want to build authority fast. Business and entrepreneurship. From small business tips to startup case studies, this niche attracts advertisers in software, online courses, and consulting services. Video ideas include How to Start a Business with $100 in 2025, 5 Side Hustles that can replace your 9-to-5 job, The Truth About Dropshipping in 2025. This niche not only gives you high CPM, around $15 to $35, but it also offers opportunities for affiliate marketing and sponsorships, doubling your income streams. Pro tip: faceless automation channels can use storytelling with text animations, stock video, and AI-generated voiceovers. 4. Health and wellness. Digital focus. The fourth niche is health and wellness, but specifically digital health. Things like fitness apps, diet trackers, mental health platforms, and biohacking. In 2025, people are more health conscious than ever, and companies are competing to sell their apps and supplements. Video ideas include Top 5 Fitness Apps of 2025, Simple Daily Habits for Better Sleep, Best Biohacking Gadgets for Beginners. Health-focused videos can attract CPMs of $12 to $25, sometimes higher if you cover expensive solutions like supplements, coaching, or medical tech. Pro tip: use stock clips of people working out, eating healthy, or meditating. Add text overlays with simple tips, and you've got an automation-ready video. 5. Online education and e-learning. Finally, the fifth proven niche is education and e-learning. In 2025, more people are learning online than ever before. coding, graphic design, marketing, or even personal development. Advertisers like online course platforms, software tools, and universities pay $20 plus CPM to get their services in front of motivated learners. Video ideas include Top 5 Skills to Learn Online in 2025, Best Websites for Free Certifications, How to Learn Coding from Scratch. Pro tip, tutorial-style videos with slides, screen recordings, or even AI-generated avatars work perfectly here. No need to appear on camera. So let's recap. Finance and investing, technology and AI tools, business and entrepreneurship, health and wellness, digital focus, online education, and e-learning. These are the 5 proven high CPM YouTube niches for 2025. If you're a beginner or building a faceless automation channel, these niches give you the best chance to maximize earnings while keeping content simple. But here's the truth. Choosing a niche is only step 1. The real secret is consistency, audience retention, and value-packed videos that keep people coming back. So, which niche are you most excited to try? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. And don't forget, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss strategies to grow faster and earn smarter on YouTube. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.